BMW's M cars are the go-to choice for enthusiasts seeking exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. However, seasoned fans of the brand know that BMW also offers more understated, yet equally enjoyable models. Enter the 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe. This electric hatchback features a single rear motor, rear-wheel drive, and a rear-biased weight distribution, embodying a classic enthusiast layout. But when it comes to EVs, the magic lies in the details. So, how close did BMW get to perfection with the latest iteration of the i4 Gran Coupe? Updates and carryovers for 2025. BMW's strategy for electrifying its sedan lineup stands out from the competition. Rather than introducing entirely new names and designs for its EVs, BMW integrates electric powertrains into its existing model lineup, keeping the familiar series naming convention. For instance, the 4 Series Gran Coupe and the i4 Gran Coupe share nearly identical designs. This unified approach means both models receive updates simultaneously. For 2025, the i4 Gran Coupe gets refreshed styling and new tech features. The exterior boasts slimmer headlights with an arrow-shaped LED design and a new welcome animation. A matte-trimmed grille and updated 19-inch wheels, showcased on the Portimo blue metallic test car, complete the look. While the side and rear views exude sophistication, the front fascia remains polarizing, sparking more surprise than admiration. Interior enhancements. Inside, BMW has introduced several updates to elevate the driving experience. The eDrive 8.5 system now powers the 14.9-inch touchscreen, offering a more intuitive menu structure and streamlined navigation. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant has also been refined, making voice commands more effective. For example, drivers can request a satellite radio station in multiple ways, and the system reliably understands and executes the command. The 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe is proof that performance and practicality can coexist, delivering a compelling option for those seeking an electric vehicle that stays true to BMW's driving legacy. How sporty is the 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe? The 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe retains its single-motor powertrain from the previous model year, delivering 335 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque to the rear wheels. While not quite as fast as the 2022 model, which managed a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.7 seconds, the updated i4 completes the sprint in a respectable 4.9 seconds. This sub-5.0-second performance remains consistent, thanks to the motor's smooth, linear power delivery. For drivers seeking quick starts, BMW's pseudo-launch control system, activated by pressing both pedals, is a user-friendly feature that ensures efficient takeoffs. Braking and handling excellence. The 2025 i4 eDrive40 also shines in its braking performance. It surpasses the 2022 model's 117-foot 60 to 0 miles per hour stopping distance by 4 feet, offering impressive bite and body control. Although the brake pedal has long travel, the feel is solid, with a seamless blend between regenerative and mechanical braking, a rarity in many EVs. Equipped with a $3,100 million Sport package, our test car benefits from a mix of performance and visual enhancements. The adaptive M suspension and variable sport steering provide a nimble and engaging handling experience, especially in sport mode. Steering feedback is surprisingly precise, enhancing the Gran Coupe's reputation as a driver-focused vehicle. With a 46 to 54% weight distribution, the i4 demonstrates impressive balance. On the figure-8 test track, the setup encourages tail-happy behavior, with oversteer becoming more pronounced as the rear tires heat up. On the road, however, this characteristic is less of a concern, even during spirited backroad drives. Overall, the i4's handling evokes the confidence and poise of previous Generation 3 Series models with similar powertrains, making it a standout in BMW's EV lineup. What's it like to live with a 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe? Around town, the i4 provides gentle, adaptive regenerative braking when there's a slower-moving vehicle ahead, helping to feed some extra juice into the battery, while also creating an invisible cushion between the BMW and the traffic. Swapping from D to B enables full-time, one-pedal style driving, which allows you to get around without needing to touch the brake pedal unless you need extra mechanical stopping power. Though we prefer the more buttoned-up sport mode for curvy roads, the default comfort setting is ideal for day-to-day driving. This 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 Gran Sport's suspension minimizes small imperfections in the pavement while tamping out bigger bumps as well. The chassis exhibits good stability at freeway speeds, silkily cruising along. Road and wind noise are so minimal you'd actually have to be listening to notice. While the i4's ride comfort is commendable, passengers need to be careful getting in and out of the vehicle. The door openings are fairly short, so it's easy to bop your head if you aren't paying attention. Still, rear seat legroom and headroom are decent enough to shuttle around adults without them complaining about needing more space. Cargo hold accessibility, on the other hand, is a huge perk. The i4's trunk opens wide, allowing easy access to the storage compartment. There's 10.0 cubic feet behind the rear seats, plenty for loading up recreational gear or filling with groceries. However, that volume falls short of other hatchback sedans, like the Polestar 2 and Audi A5 Sportback, with 16.7 and 21.8 cubic feet, respectively. It's best to think of BMW's Gran Coupe body style as an extra useful coupe. BMW equips the i4 eDrive40 with an 83.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack, 81.5 kilowatt-hours usable. Charging rates max out at 205 kilowatts in a level 3 fast charging scenario. The EPA rates the i4's driving range at 318 miles when outfitted with 18-inch wheels. But this model is limited to 295 miles due to its 19-inch wheels. According to Motor Trend's road trip range testing, which measures driving distance from 100 to 5% battery capacity at 70 miles per hour, the i4 eDrive40 Gran Coupe covered 267 miles, a 9% difference from the EPA's rating. When charging, the i4 added 132 miles of range in 15 minutes during our testing. But considering that the gas-only 2025 BMW M440i Gran Coupe can drive a total of 437 miles on a tank with a respectable EPA rating of 26 to 32 city/highway mpg, the i4 could stand to gain some range in future iterations. Range aside, the i4, like other 4 Series models, is available with BMW's suite of standard and available advanced driver assistance goodies, which work to brilliant effect. The BMW Driving Assistance Pro package bundles Active Driving Assistant Pro and Extended Traffic Jam Assistant, helping take the burden off of long drives with smooth automatic acceleration, deceleration, and distance keeping. The i4 can reliably track its lane, so long as the driver remains alert and keeps their hands on the wheel. At slower speeds, you benefit from BMW's available 360-degree parking views, front and rear parking sensors, and parking assistant technology. These features aren't standard, although BMW does equip every i4 with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, automatic high beams, and parking sensors. It all works exceedingly well, but we'd like to see the German automaker move to include more standard assistance tech moving forward.